Dublin. It's what a certain part of my body starts doing when I think of Ireland, because this place gets me really excited. And there is no better time of year to visit the Emerald Isle's capital city than the day the Irish are most passionate about, St. Patrick's Day. Come with me on this travel vlog to Dublin during one of its most hectic days, and I'll show you why St. Patrick's Day in Dublin needs to be added to your bucket list. If at any point in this video you feel like you want to support my channel and what I do, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Cheers guys, let's get into it.
Friday! Hell yeah, I just finished work. Look, it's light. Mental, innit? Finishing work when it's light. That's probably going to make no sense when you watch this in like mid-April, but it's like 14th of March right now, so just getting used to this. I'm flying to Dublin for St. Patrick's Day, which is in 3 days. But before I do that, I'm heading into London. I'm going partying tonight. Hell yeah. Flying out from Luton Airport tomorrow morning, so I'll be sleeping at Luton Airport tonight as well. Let's get on it. So tonight I'm going to a gig actually, my girlfriend's friend's boyfriend. He's in a band, so I'm going to go and watch his show, and I'm going to go to some mad raving house party after that. Probably be up all night. Flying 6 o'clock in the morning from Luton, so I'll probably be partying until then. It's going to be a heavy weekend, I think. Dublin Airport. I'm in Dublin Airport. I've been to Ireland many times in my life, but this is the first time I've ever been to Dublin Airport. The first time I've ever flown into Ireland. Game of Thrones tour, guys. If you do want to see some Game of Thrones filming locations, make sure you check out my Northern Irish video, because I actually go to a few of these long before it was cool. Hey. Got my first stamp on my new passport. Ew. Brexit passports. Not happy about it, but I needed a new passport and I knew the time would come. But I can report it works exactly the same, but
Shout out to Sarah and Tony for letting us stay at theirs for the weekend. Thank you guys. In true Irish style, when we got in at 8 o'clock, the first thing Sarah offered me was a pint of Guinness. It's never too early for a Guinness. Cheers.
What a journey that has been. So I didn't do much vlogging last night, guys, because I was at a gig and then a house party in London. Me and Ellie stayed there till about 1:30 in the morning, and then we took a bus to Victoria and a coach to Luton, and we flew out at 6 o'clock this morning. So we didn't really sleep much last night. It was a fun way to start the trip. Now we're in Dublin. I got my Guinness. This is like the 4th pint of Guinness I've had since I've been here. I've only been here a few hours. Oh yeah, I love it. It's so much better in Dublin. If you come to Dublin, guys, you've got to get a pint of Guinness because it tastes so much better here. Oh, look at this little fella. Look at this little fella. This guy's only 14 weeks old. Look at the size of his paw. 14 weeks old, this little fella. Ellie's vlogging.
Hi. Oh.
Look, the sun's out. In Ireland. The sky's blue. What the fuck? That's not right.
That night we went out and watched Wales get smashed in the Six Nations. Then we headed to Conor McGregor's bar, which was surprisingly nice actually.
Alright amigos, I'm at Conor McGregor's bar with Sarah and Ellie.
Hello.
And I've got some proper 12, which is Conor McGregor's whiskey for those who don't know. Never tried it, I've never seen it in the store. I don't know if it's outside of Ireland you can get it or not, but I've got some here. Let's give it a little try.
And he's going to take it in 12 ways. Stay tuned.
Way number 2. Right, honest opinion, it's fucking whiskey. I don't know, I can't tell the difference between that and Jameson's. Sorry, McGregor.
So we got the McGregor Guinness forged Irish steak, it's called.
You watch your walk behind you now as you try.
Let's see. I give my honest opinion. As a Guinness lover, this is shite. A bit of shameless promotion and back to serious. I was knackered.
As I was going over the far-famed Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol and I then produced me rapier, saying stand and deliver, for I am the boldest sabre. Muster ring to a whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.
This is us heading to Paddy Waterfall. It's Ireland's highest waterfall, standing at 121 metres, and you can find it about 30 minutes outside of Dublin. Funnily enough, located not far from Ireland's highest bar too, which we also check out in a bit.
Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went up to my chamber, all for to take a slumber. I dreamt of gold and jewels, on sure it was no wonder. But Jenny threw me charges and she filled them up with water, and sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. Mush a ring them a do them a da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. 'Twas early in the morning, before rose the trouble, up comes a man, a footman, and likewise Captain Farrell, who first produced my pistols, for she stole away my rifle. I couldn't shoot my water, so a prisoner I was taken. Mush a ring them a do them a da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.
I gotta say, it's expensive. $7.50 is expensive to see a waterfall, but it is an impressive waterfall, and that is an awesome place. Bring some blankets and a barbecue and some beers and just chill. Good vibes over there, loads of people, it's wicked. There's Ali, there she is, she's gonna fall. Oh, she's gonna fall. Please say she falls. Please say she falls. Go on, Ellie. We're waiting for you to fall in. Please fall in. Come on. Please fall in. It'll be so funny. No, no, no! Don't go round, Ellie. No. Go over the way I went. No, you'll be fine. Do it for the vlog. It would be good footage. Oh, thumbs down for Ellie.
Just a short drive from the waterfall is Johnny Fox's, the highest pub in Ireland. This place has some funky decoration.
If anyone can aid me, 'tis my brother in the army. If I can find a station in Cork or in Killarney, and if you'll go with me, we'll go roaming through Kilkenny, and I'm sure it'd suit me better than my own sporting Jenny. Mush a ring them a do them a da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. There's some take delight in the carriages are rolling, and others take delight in the hurry and the bowling. Well, I take delight in the juice of the barley, and courting pretty fair maids in the morning bright and early. Mush a ring them a do them a da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.
If you're liking the video, peeps, for the love of steak, hit that like button.
It's St. Patrick's Day! Look at me in my crack dealer t-shirt. Sarah's got the beers. Ellie's gonna buy the cake. You've got to have cake for breakfast on St. Patrick's Day. But beers and cake for breakfast, but only if it's St. Patrick's Day cake. And it is. Ooh, where's the cake? Where's the cake? Where's the cake? Where's the cake?
This one, I reckon.
This one?
That one? Either that one or that one. I reckon this one.
Why? What's the difference?
I don't know.
This is the most Irish part of the supermarket. Look at this now.
Potato gratin, potato crochets, and beer battered onion rings. Yeah, we ate cake for breakfast that day. Publicly on the bus too, like a bunch of psychos.
Okay. I can't do it, Ellie. I can't get it off. It's my hands. What you doing there, Ellie?
Eating cake. Eating so posed, okay? It looks beautiful.
We've just been devoured.
It's like 10 AM and we're heading into the city for the parade. But first, we took a little pit stop to add to the travel sleeve. St. Patrick's Day in Dublin is one of the biggest and most exciting celebrations in the world. The city comes alive with parades, music and a festival atmosphere that lasts for several days. Besides the parade, which takes place on Paddy's Day, expect celebrations that go on for 4 or 5 days, like live music, street performances, food markets and light shows. The atmosphere is packed with energy, with people from all over the world who've come to celebrate. The pubs are absolutely buzzing and the Guinness is flowing. Temple Bar is a hotspot, but bars across the city will be going off. Book everything months ahead of time and get yourself to Dublin. It really is an unforgettable experience. I want to say a massive thank you to Sarah and Tony for letting us stay at theirs for the weekend, and thanks to you guys for watching the video. If you subscribe, remember to turn on those bell notifications so that you know when I release new content. But the fun's not over yet. Check out that time I went to the world's largest Viking fire festival on the left, and my most recent upload on the right. See you on the next one.
Do you feel, Ellie? Sad.
It's been good. Good weekend in Dublin.
8:45.